Hello students. Now we are going to begin a new chapter which is motion. This is the first physics chapter of your class 9 and here we will understand the basic things about motion and different scientific aspects of this. Motion is so common in our daily life that you have to have its scientific understanding. Okay. Let's consider distance. Now see, distance is a very common word which we use on a daily basis. Let's say what is the distance between your home and your school. Now this distance can vary. This distance depends on the path taken by you from your home to your school. You can take any path depending on your mood, let's say. Okay. So this distance is going to vary and this is nothing but any path taken between 2 points. But then the next word comes in and that is displacement. What exactly is displacement? See, the displacement is the minimum distance or the shortest distance between any 2 points. If this is the shortest distance, and by the concepts of mathematics and common sense as well, the shortest distance possible between any 2 points is nothing but a straight line. If there are 2 points, this is point A, this is point B, and you need to travel in the shortest possible distance between these 2 points, that is only going to be a straight line. If there is even a small curve, that distance is going to be greater than the displacement. Okay. So this is the difference between distance and displacement. So let's come back to the example that what is the distance between your home and school? Well, that depends. That depends on the path that you're going to take between your home and your school. But the displacement is going to be the same. It doesn't matter whatever path that you take, but the displacement, which is the shortest possible distance, that is a straight line between your home and your school, that is going to be a straight line and that is not going to change. That is going to be constant. Okay. So basically, this is the difference. This is the very common difference between distance and displacement, and it's more fundamental things you're going to learn in this chapter. In this chapter, you're going to learn about speed, you're going to learn about velocity. So there is a difference between speed and velocity as well, and that is dependent on displacement and distance. You're going to see that how you can calculate the speed of anything if you're given how much time the object takes and how much distance it covers. We are going to derive some of the interesting equations of motion, and by using those equations you can solve very much real life problems. If a stone is thrown up, you can actually calculate that by how much distance it is going to go up. You can also calculate its final velocity, that by what velocity or by what speed that stone is going to hit on the ground. You can calculate that on your paper and it is verifiable. You can actually see that the whatever calculation that you're going to do, that is going to be real in this world. Okay, so this is a very interesting chapter. We are going to learn about circular motion. It is called as uniform circular motion. You're going to see what exactly that is. You're going to see acceleration. All right. So acceleration is also something that we use in our daily lives, but you're going to understand its physics point of view. Okay. So welcome to the chapter, and we will start with this chapter and we will enjoy this chapter thoroughly and keep learning with Easyhai Online.